𝗨𝗦𝗘𝗘𝗦 Mine is a Derbyshire lead mine that contains extensive surface and underground mine workings dating back to at least 1653. For our trip, we will be descending down the roughly 40-metre vertical shaft and exploring the intricate system below. Before we descended, however, we would install an anchor point near the shaft for extra safety, as the old one had deteriorated over the years.
I'll let you know when they're free.
Good man. Yeah. Down.
The history of lead mining in Derbyshire is both extensive and rich. Primarily, the lead ore known as galena was used for many things, such as water piping to currency. During its peak in the 18th century, miners were typically required to pay a form of duty or tribute from the ore they extracted to the 𝗨𝗦𝗘𝗦𝗘𝗏. These were a special judicial body established in the 13th century to manage mining disputes and regulate the industry. The advent of the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th century propelled Derbyshire's lead mining into a new era of productivity and technological advancement. Innovations such as the steam engine, which facilitated the extraction of water from increasingly deeper mine shafts, were being used in mass production.
Yeah, what was that? Where am I going here? How did you do this on your own?
It took me some time. Hence the big fucking crash.
Rope free! Should have heard that. Someone. Nick, look.
Hello?
Hey! Yeah, you're not fair, mate. Oh, so close. I've got no idea how he did that with no one else.
With that big crash, we're all them rocks.
Along the hillside near to the 𝗨𝗦𝗘𝗘𝗦 mine shaft lies the foundations of a supposed 𝗩𝗑𝗏𝗦 pumping engine house. The surrounding landscape of Derbyshire bears the marks of its rich mining heritage, scattered with the remains of mine shafts, dilapidated engine houses and the base structures of old smelting mills. This historical legacy is deeply embedded, not just in physical surroundings, but also in the local customs, traditions and the shared memories of communities that were historically built around the mining industry.
There's Aaron's drill from last time. It's still here.
So you've got one bolt in there, and you're going to have another bolt there,
Yeah,
and that's going to take us all the way down.
down there, yeah.
Despite flourishing for centuries, the lead mining industry in Derbyshire began to decline by the late 19th and early 20th centuries, largely due to the exhaustion of lead veins, increased global competition and declining lead prices. This downturn culminated in the closure of the last lead mine in 1939. Millclose Mine, located near the small town of Darley-Dale, closed in December of that year, signalling the end of a significant chapter in Derbyshire's history.
Oh yeah, that wall there doesn't look too good, does it? Now that looks a bit snug.
It's snug, mate, but it's alright.
Alright. Oh yeah, it's a bit snug. plenty there now.
Oh yeah, loving it.
Well, this ain't my first rodeo.
Derbyshire's legacy of lead mining is preserved and celebrated through museums, heritage sites and educational trails that pay homage to the industry's historical significance and its impact on the region's development, technology and community life. Peak District Lead Mining Museum, situated in Matlock Bath, provides an in-depth look at the Peak District's lead mining history, featuring a captivating array of mining equipment, machinery and historical records. Additionally, it acts as an entrance to the Temple Mine, allowing visitors to explore the conditions of a once operational lead mine underground.
What's down here, out? Oh, opens up. That's it, locked in. Sealed in.
Magpie Mine, near the small village of Sheldon in Derbyshire, is a historic lead mining site dating back 300 years and features remnants such as an engine house and distinctive headgear still in situ. Managed by the Peak District Historical Mining Society, it offers insights into mining life and serves as a tribute to the miners. The heights of Abraham in Matlock Bath were originally developed in the 1780s and have a rich history tied to mining. Initially, the caverns within the heights were mined for lead, before being transformed into a tourist attraction. This shift from industrial use to leisure and education marked a new chapter in the site's history, showcasing the transition of the local economy from mining to tourism. Today, while the cable cars and panoramic views attract visitors, the show caverns serve as a direct link to the site's mining past.